खैबर पख्तूनख्वा टेक्स्ट बुक बोर्ड पेशावर जनरल साइंस फॉर क्लास 6 यूनिट नंबर 3 बैलेंस डाइट के लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स के साथ हाजिर हूँ। इससे पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो कमेंट में जरूर पूछें। चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इज देयर एनी रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन डाइट एंड फिटनेस? आंसर, यस, there is a strong relationship between diet and fitness. Eating healthy foods gives your body the energy and nutrients needed to exercise well, build muscles, and stay strong. A good diet helps you stay fit and healthy. Question number 2. What do various nutrients do in our body? Answer, the various nutrients perform different functions in our body. Carbohydrates give energy. Proteins build and repair body parts. Fats provide energy and protect organs. Vitamins help body work well and fight diseases. Minerals keep bones, teeth and body healthy. Water keeps body hydrated and helps all processes. Question number 3. How can we have a balanced diet? Elaborate your answer. Answer, to have a balanced diet, you should eat different types of foods in the right amount every day. This includes carbohydrates like rice, bread for energy, proteins like meat, beans to build and repair the body, fats like oils, nuts for energy and body functions, vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables to keep the body healthy, water to stay hydrated. Question number 4. Differentiate between macro and micronutrients. Explain the role of macronutrients in our body. Answer, differences between macro and micronutrients. Macronutrients needed in large amounts by the body like carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Micronutrients needed in small amounts like vitamins and minerals. Part B, role of macronutrients in our body. Macronutrients provide energy, help build and repair body parts and keep us healthy and active.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें। कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी पूछें। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा चैनल। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज।